Hello everyone. Today I just want to make a video to share how did I achieve 350,000 at 26 years old and also a self-introduction about myself. So first, where am I from? I'm from Singapore. And who am I? I am a 26-year-old working as a shipping research analyst. I know this sounds like an investment related job where I touch with stocks, but just like how a person working in the corporate finance department is doing more accounting related job, I am more like doing more like a port infrastructure kind of job. So I graduated from the Nanyang Technological University business degree in the last year, and I specialize in banking and finance. And also I have a hobby of investing in stocks. So the reason why I start my YouTube channel and doing such videos is because recently I hit my 5 year mark of investing and it's told to me by interactive brokers. So I decided to start talking about it. So my 350,000 mainly come from my investment portfolio size, which is 275,000. This is in USD. So if you convert it to Singapore dollars, it's 350,000. Yeah. And then how did I achieve it? Is because 5 years ago, when I was 21 years old in the army, I learned like value investing and fundamental analysis for stocks by reading a lot of books. And I would say the uh, main bulk of my portfolio size comes from me applying value investing concept into stocks and getting returns. And also, I think like partially the portfolio size come from saving my salary from my full-time job. And I'm not earning much, I'm just earning the median salary for my age group. Next, I would like to talk about my investment returns because that is what really contributes to my 350,000. So as you can see here by the interactive broker performance analysis here, my annualized return is 34.82% annually since I started investing on 14 October. I know in the graph it says 12 October 2020, but there was just a 2 day difference because I created an account, but like I didn't deposit money. I only deposited money 2 days later. That's why there is this difference. So I see myself starting investing on 14 October. And I did like a 345% return over 5 years. So how did I perform compared to the market? As you can see here, since inception, if you put like 100,000 into the S&P 500, 5 years later, you get 191,000. If you put 100,000 into the NASDAQ, 5 years later, you get 202,000. And if you put 100,000 into me, I I know this portfolio tracker says I'm going to lose all your money away. It's a negative 100%. But trust me, this portfolio tracker is broken. Okay. I'm not lying to you. As proof, you can see that the Nasdaq Composite, which is the Nasdaq here, did 102%, same as the what is being shown previously, and also the S&P did 91% for the past 5 years. Okay, also same as the chart previously. And you can see my returns here, 345%. Okay, so for every 100K invested, you are just gonna get about 200K from the Nasdaq and S&P, which is pretty good for the average investor. If you don't really know accounting and fundamental analysis, if you don't know value investing, 200K is pretty good. If you invest into me, it's 345,000, about like 145,000 more. Yeah. So I know Singaporeans commenters are like very toxic and they like to one up each other in the comment section. So if you tell me I did negative 100% since I started investing and I'm going to lose all of like everyone's money away, you are just retarded, man. I'm just going to say you are retarded. I just want to say that you can see that the 3 year mark here is still working fine. I'm still beating the market very nicely. But I don't know why once it hits like the 300% mark, I just go to negative 100% for some reason. Like, interactive broker, please, man, please fix your stupid tracker, man. I know it's because I done too well, but please fix your tracker. Okay, so from annual perspective, I did 34.82% versus S&P's 13.8% and also the Nasdaq's 15.1% for the past 5 years. And which platform do I use? By now, you already know it's Interactive Brokers. However, I just want to highlight that I only use the mobile version. Okay, the mobile version. I don't use this like shitty ass desktop version. I don't even know how to buy and sell. I don't even know how to navigate through this like desktop at web page version. I don't know, man. Don't ask me. Don't ask me anything about it. Okay, so now next, why am I making YouTube videos? Is because I think my track record firstly is long enough to prove that I'm a real deal. It has been 5 years of a very good outperformance of the market, of the S&P 500, which is usually the next best thing that your average investor can buy. And I'm confident to now help improve my viewers' investment literacy, because investment is a very complex topic, and everyone will develop their own like worldview of investments because they have their own unique life experiences. So what I want to do is to share with you my worldview for investments to you, so that you can use it as a reference to build your own worldview in the future. And also I want to encourage like prudent investing, which is to invest carefully to protect your money, because money is very hard to earn. It sucks to lose like money, and you want to be careful. You don't want to lose even a single cent of it. Okay, don't risk, don't gamble, invest safely. And also next, I want to make all of my knowledge free, so that frauds that make you sign up for their investment courses like stock picking, options, don't know what thing, will go bankrupt. Okay. And also, I want to monetize my knowledge by making YouTube money, use my knowledge to exchange for money, because I don't have the connections to become a fund manager. There are no heroes here, guys. So because I don't have any connections, I think this is like the best way for me to make money through my knowledge. So I share my knowledge to you for free, and you subscribe to my channel, and you get the fastest update on how to make money. Deal or no deal? Deal or no deal? Sounds like a good deal to me. Okay. So my next step is probably to create more videos about investing concepts. And I have some topics in my mind, which you can see in the bracket ready. And then maybe you can leave your questions in the comment section, and that might be a concept that I will explain in my next video. Finally, for any aspiring viewers that want to be like me, I would like to give you some advice. So first, you should read some investment books, not personal finance book like What Rich Dad, Poor Dad, The Billionaire Next Door, the ones that teach you how to like manage your finances. Read like proper investment books that teach you how to invest in the market. So let's say like One Up on Wall Street by Peter Lynch, Common Stock and Uncommon Profits by Philip Fisher. Okay. You can also read The Intelligent Investor, but I personally think only chapter 8 and chapter 20 is relevant. So next, you should also learn accounting, because you need to learn how to read financial statements, the balance sheet, income statement, and the cash flow statement. Because my videos will be of zero help if you don't understand accounting at all. Okay, and if you don't understand accounting, I will guarantee that you will your investment returns will be lesser than the S&P 500 returns for sure. For sure, if you don't understand accounting at all. So if you want to learn how to invest, first you need to learn accounting. I also understand that there will be people, because like we don't study accounting, you don't like really understand accounting, and you don't have the time to learn. Then my advice to you is just to invest in the S&P 500 for the average returns, and you will outperform 90% of the investors out there anyways. Because humans, for some reason, they just have an inability to sit still. All of humans' problem come from one person inability to sit still in a room. They have to do something. And the moment they start to like mess around with their portfolio, try to buy and sell, try to actively trade instead of buying and hold for the long term, they try to do all the additional action, that's when they will lose money. And just by achieving the average return through the S&P 500, you will outperform 90% of the investors. So if you like my videos, remember to like, share, and subscribe. You subscribe to me, you get the fastest update on how to make money through stock picking. And I get YouTube money. Sounds good to me.